Hey babe, you wanna go out?
Sexist advertising sells more than just products.
So good.
It affects the entire society. It makes people ill and hinders the development of gender equality. Despite all the problems it creates, there are hardly any legal consequences for businesses that engage in sexist advertising in the Nordic countries. As a result, 3 Nordic organisations are working together to encourage the public to report sexist advertising. They have also written a report that compares the Nordic laws in this area and gives recommendations for improvements. And they have sent copies of the report to all relevant ministers in the Nordic countries. The Nordic Gender Equality Fund finances collaborations because sharing knowledge makes a difference. Join the Nordic collaboration at nic.no.